Hi everybody, Terry here, the pipe smoking beekeeper. I just thought I'd introduce you to a new friend. We've not known each other very long, but I think it's going to be a good long friendship. As you know, I've got Bruce the Honda, and then there's Dave the BSA, and here is Bertie, Royal Enfield Classic 350, a single, as you can see, in Halcyon Green, just 12 months old, barely 1,000 miles on the clock. So, there we have it. Bertie, the Royal Enfield Classic 350 in Halcyon Green. I hope the three of them get on well. Catch you all later. Bye now.